The German Shepherd dog, GSD, is one of the most popular and versatile dog breeds in the world today. They are a modern breed that was developed in Germany in the late 19th century. Here's a brief history of the GSD. Origins: the GSD was originally bred in Germany in the late 1800s by a man named Max von Stephanitz. His goal was to create a versatile working dog that could excel in a variety of jobs, from herding to police work to search and rescue. Early development: von Stephanitz began breeding dogs that he felt embodied the qualities he was looking for in his ideal working dog. He used a variety of breeds in his breeding program, including local herding and farm dogs, as well as some imported breeds like the Belgian Shepherd and the English Pointer. Rise to popularity: once the GSD breed had been established, von Stephanitz began promoting it as the ideal working dog. The breed gained popularity quickly, and was soon being used by police forces, military units, and search and rescue organizations all over the world. World War I and II: during World War I and World War II, the GSD saw extensive use as a military and police dog. They were used for a variety of tasks, including patrol, sentry duty, and even as messenger and scout dogs. Their loyalty, intelligence, and fearlessness made them a valuable asset to many armies. Continued evolution: after the wars, the GSD continued to evolve and develop, with breeders focusing on different traits depending on the intended use of the dog. Today, there are many different lines of GSDs, each with its own characteristics and strengths. Today, the GSD remains one of the most popular dog breeds in the world, and is still used for a variety of working and service roles. They are also beloved family pets and show dogs, prized for their loyalty, intelligence, and versatility.